How to turn on groups, use high priority notifications on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on groups, use high priority notifications on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then just click these 3 points in top corner and click settings. Here you will find notifications and then just click this one. Scroll down, here you will find it, use high priority notifications. Just if you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it, one click, and as you see, use high priority notifications have been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.